If I told you there's a tool that can write books, create videos, design apps, and even make you money while you sleep. I love this part of making money while you sleep. Would you believe it? I know majority of you're going to say, no, this is a scam, you're lying. That's a tool that I'm talking about. And this tool is not the future. It's the right now tool, and it's called GPT-5. Congratulations to ChatGPT. ChatGPT has grown. Let's dive in and see exactly what is GPT-5. GPT-5, let's see, the world is changing faster than ever before. Can you imagine? When I was looking at the studies and statistics, it shows that over 60% of jobs today will be impacted by AI in the next decade. And already millions of freelancers are using AI tools to multiply their income. GPT-5 is the newest and most advanced AI from OpenAI, the one we call ChatGPT. And unlike earlier versions, it's not just smart, it's powerful enough to brainstorm, to write, to code, and even analyze data, and it creates marketing content and even help run your online business from your own phone, seated at your own comfort. Maybe you're in a hotel, you're at work, anywhere you are, it can do this for you. And here is the best part. You don't need to be a technical expert or an investor. Maybe you can invest thousands of dollars to get one. No, all you need is your smartphone. You need internet connection and a bit of creativity to turn GPT-5 into your personal money making assistant. Mark you, this is GPT-5. So let's see today. What are we going to see? We are going to see the 7 practical ways to make money with GPT-5. This is the latest version of ChatGPT. Whether you want a side hustle like me, you want a freelance career, or even a full-time income, you are on the right platform. Good morning. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is Christine, the lady that says I cannot hold a phone and I beg for bread. You guys, special thanks to everybody that is engaging our videos. Thank you very much. God bless you. But as you engage, please, I want you to put something in practice. And to my beautiful Immaculate Show people, my team, I love you. Thanks for the morale and encouragement for us to continue and reach our goals. Disclaimer, you guys, before I dive in and show you these 7 ways of GPT, the way it can turn your life around, let me say I'm not a financial, this is a disclaimer again, I'm not a financial consultant, I'm not a financial guru, I'm a simple lady showing you what you can use on a daily basis with your smartphone. The first point and the first way out of 7 is freelance writing and blogging. What can we talk about? We have seen that majority of people now have gone in content writing, have gone into blogging. So we have platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelance Care, and even all these ones are flooded with clients looking for writers. Now, if they are looking for writers, why not you join them? You're not going to say, I don't know how to write. If you don't know how to write, GPT-5, this one is there to do the best for you. You can generate high quality blog posts, SEOs, articles, and even social media content in minutes. You can charge some little amount of money as you begin, like $20 to $50 or even $100 per project. And because GPT-5 speeds is faster than ChatGPT in writing and in doing things, you can take on more work without burning out. The problem is burning out, but with this one, no burning out. Then the second way of making money with this latest GPT, the newest AI version of ChatGPT, is social media content creation. This is what we are doing, and the majority, if we can say 90% of people online are doing this. So social media is hungry for content. No one should fight for content. No. It is you're in a market and there is no competition, and brands will pay for it because they are there waiting for it. GPT-5 can write Instagram captions, it can write Facebook posts, TikTok scripts, and even full content calendars. If you package this one, like now you package this one, and at the same time you package it with service for small business owners, you can earn a steady monthly income without ever showing your face online. Let's run to way number 5 of making money with GPT-5. YouTube script writing. I love this. YouTubers, you need scripts that grab attention. I suffered this before knowing ChatGPT. Now that I even now came to know GPT-5 and geo optimization, things are perfect. GPT-5 can research, write, and even help optimize your titles and description for SEOs. You could sell scripts to content creators for $30 to even more than $100 each. And you can produce multiple in single day, not even single day, in single hour. The fourth way is ebook creation and self-publishing. Amazon Kindle has millions of readers looking for fresh books. And you're there with all your experiences seated on them. Run GPT-5 and do at least write a book, format something, and even design ideas for an entire ebook in a week or less than a week. You can publish this book of yours once you have completed it, and it can even keep making you get passive income for years, not for a day like your salary. The fifth is online tutoring and digital courses. You might wonder, what am I talking about? You don't have to be a teacher, by the way, now in this era, for you to teach. You just need to have variable knowledge, and GPT-5 can help you create lesson plans, workbooks, and course scripts. You can sell these ones on platforms, very many platforms like Skillshare, even your own website platforms. You can even share it with Udemy. The sixth one is AI-powered business tools. This is one of the most business that you should venture in if you're a lover of this. Businesses, they pay for solutions, not just content. With GPT-5, you can create email templates, chatbot scripts, marketing campaigns, or even small web tools that save time. Sell them as digital products and you'll get paid again and again. The last but not least is personal branding and niche influencing. If you love being in front of the camera, GPT can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, and plan content that builds your personal branding. Once you grow your audience, you can monetize through sponsorship. That is, if it is any website or YouTube, Facebook, any platform, then you can also use it for affiliate marketing and product sales. So if you're there and you don't know this secret, please, there is a latest version of ChatGPT in town that is very faster. The truth is, AI is not being a competitor for you to replace you. No, it's here to empower me and you. The power who succeed is in you, it is in me. If you want to succeed in this new era, you will have to learn at least what works for you and what works with AI, not against it. So pick one of these methods, take action today, and let GPT be your partner in building your next income stream. I used to use ChatGPT before. Then later, when I came to know that in optimization of our videos, they no longer use SEOs, they use Geo. I had to adjust and go to learn what Geo is, how to optimize with it. So this is what we should do now. Let's not be on our toes thinking that it's going to take our jobs, but let's know that it's here to help us. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye.